Kia ora koutou, Bruce from QuickSense here, and today we're looking at substitution. The question's asking us which of these values substituted gives a negative value. So let's just go through them. If I substitute in 0, right, I get 0 squared minus 4 times 0 plus 3. Anything times 0 is 3, so I'm left with positive as 0, so I'm left with positive 3. Let's have a look at negative 1. Negative 1 squared. Well, negative 1 times negative 1 is 1. Negative 4 times negative 1 is plus 4. All right, well, that doesn't work either. That gives us 8. So what about 2? Right, so that's 2 squared minus 4, 2 plus 3. 4 minus 8 plus 3. That's going to equal negative 1. Okay, so far, this works. So far, the 2 gives us a negative expression. Now let's just check the last one. That's 16 minus 16 plus 3. That gives us 3. So the only answer that gives us a negative value is when x is equal to 2. In this next question, we have quite a famous equation. The formula giving us the gravitational force between two objects. Now it's asking us what the gravitational force is between two asteroids given some values. And what we're going to do is we're going to substitute each of those values. So the gravitational force, right, G, is equal to this. So we are going to substitute in this number for this. Our first mass, M1, is this number here. Second mass, M2, is this number here. And finally, let's go with the blue. Right. Ooh. Our R value is 300. So F is equal to G times M times M2 divided by R, which is in meters, squared. The way I would do this in a calculator is, if I wanted to be really sure, I would multiply these two together first, the resulting together with this, and then finally divide the whole thing on the top by what's on the bottom. As it is, I've done it before, so I know that it's approximately equal to 2.3 times 10 to the negative 7. And we're asking, well, it's going to have some kind of unit, and the unit for force is in newtons. It's this thing here, newtons there. If you're interested in how to multiply together when we're using scientific notation, we have a video on that, so please do go and check that out if you want to see how to do this by hand. Regardless, the answer to this question is 2.3 times 10 to the negative 7 newtons.